Okay, I'm reloaded.
YouTube, what it is, man. It's your boy Sayysooflyy. I am no wave, I am no bridge, man. Now, right now, son, we are back with another pocket option video. This is not a tutorial. Pretty much, man, I'm about to trade with y'all. You feel me? I'm about to show y'all, I guess you can say my strategy or one of my strategies. This is gonna be, I'm gonna just go ahead and say it, man. This is gonna be the easiest strategy right here. If you can't learn this strategy, then this is a problem, or that's a problem. All right, but before we get into that, man, if you not subscribed already, man, click subscribe. Catch the wave, join the family. Subscribe right now, son. Like, I don't understand how you watching the video and you not subscribed. Like, if you want a wave, go ahead and drop the waves down in the comments, man. Like the video right now. Show me some love. All right. So I have ebooks. If you're a brand new trader, what I want you to do, I want you to click the first link. I think it's the first link. I want you to click all the links in my description, man. I got ebooks. I have ways to where you can start trading for free. Like I said, I have ebooks. I have a membership to where it's only like $27, bro, to where you can get into the Discord and, you know, I go live on there. We can trade live on there. And I also have personal mentorship. I have a group, the Bridge CEO. That costs a little bit of money right there, man, but we make a lot of money. I'll teach you how to make over 5 sources of income all online. And yeah, we can get this bread together. Now, pocket option. I did my first video like this a few days ago, or it was like 3 weeks ago, but it got like 5,000 views. That's not really a lot as far as my channel though, because I don't really get a lot of views no more. But I mean, it is a lot for my channel, so I decided to do another one. So let me go ahead and go to pocket option, and we're gonna go ahead and get this thing started. All right. Now, I already tell y'all, bro, I'm not a teacher. Don't think I'm a teacher. I'm not some guru or nothing like that. Hey man, I'm pretty good at trading. So right now I'm setting up all my charts. I'm just getting my dashboard right now. So if you don't know what like the percentages are, that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm making sure that everything on my dashboard are all of the percentages that I'm gonna need. So now we're gonna look. GBP, that one looks straight. Oh, I like that one. And I don't like that. All right, but this is what I'm looking for. You see how it's all green candles? That's what I want to see. All right, so it's red, 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 like all red candles. That's what I'm looking for right there. All right, so there's about 20 seconds left before this candle closes. Nah. So I'm gonna be a little bit patient. So we got green, green, green. Let's go back. So pretty much what I'm doing. Matter of fact, let's get into that one right there. Nope, it didn't close. I wanted to close green. All right, so what I'm looking for is the trend. You want to find the trend. So when you see 3 consecutive candles, like green, 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 red, 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 that's usually what I look for. So this right here, this is perfect. This is exactly what I'm looking for. All right, you'll hear a lot of people say the trend is your friend when it comes to trading. Let's go back. Let's look at an example. Here, we got a few more seconds. So you see how it says just red, red, red. Perfect. That's what I want to see. Green, green, green. That's how you know that you are in some kind of trend. Dang, you just went to 50%. So you can see it was a red candle right there. So it was a bearish candle within a bullish trend. I'll explain that in another video, but this is 50%. Let's look at this. So it's green. I want to do this one, but this candle went up so far that it's kind of like it's over exhausted. So I'm gonna pass on that one for now. Matter of fact, let's do it. Boom. All right, so as soon as the candle closes, I got in. I'm expecting it to close green. Let's get in again. And so now we wait. We got 50 seconds left. Let's look around. So this one too. So you got green, green, green. I'm expecting it to go up. Boom. Let's get into that one. So right now, I just risked $3,000. This is demo money, it's practice. I'm practicing just to show y'all, so don't get it twisted. Right now, we winning though, you feel me? We got 33 seconds left. As you can see, like I was telling you, green, green, green. That's pretty much what I'm counting. I don't know if this is a real strategy or not. I'm gonna just say, I know I didn't make it up. I'm gonna call this the wave strategy, you feel me? So start searching for the wave strategy and I'll teach y'all, but this is profitable, man. I'm not gonna lie, like I make bread using this. All right, so we got 14 seconds. I got in at a real good spot right here. Like, I was going down to 6, 5. Give me right. 4. Come on, come on, come on. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go, let's go, baby. 1707. How much did I just make? What was that, $2,100? Or no, I don't even know how much I just made. It's just practice money. But don't get caught up in the money. It's a strategy. You feel me? Even though this candle closed red, you know, it closed red, but I got in at such a good point that it was still profitable. So I'm showing y'all what I'm looking for. I'm looking for green, 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 or red, red, red. I'm looking for 3 of the same candles. All right. So let's continue to look. So that's not, see, that's ugly right there. You know, a lot of people get into this. This is consolidation. When people, they get into that and they just lose. So this was a trade that I got in before. You see, it's still going up. The trend is still going. The trend is your friend, man. You got to follow the trend, you know. And honestly, I want to keep, I expect it to keep going up, but I'm gonna pass on it. You know, so this one is green, green, green right here. And you have this red candle. This is a bearish candle within a bullish trend. A lot of times when you see these bearish candles within bullish trends, that means that a big move is gonna happen right after. So when you see a small candle, usually it means that a big candle is gonna happen. So right here, you see it's a small red candle in a bullish trend. The next candle was a big bullish candle. Now it's not gonna always continue to go. Sometimes it's completely reverse. You know, but that's, you know, that's red, red. So this one right here, we have red, red, red. But I'm gonna continue to keep looking. The thing about trading is that you never want to force a trade. All right. So I'm just looking for right now. So you see how it's red? This is, like I was just telling you, you have the bearish candle within a bullish trend. So it's closing green. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 6 green candles, right? Let's keep going. Let's keep going. I don't want to confuse y'all. I'm expecting, since that's red, I'm expecting that one to go down a little bit. All right, so look, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is going. It's been going up so much that I don't. Yes, that goes with my rules of 3 green candles, but the fact that it's been going up so much, I'm not gonna get into that. It's like overexhaustion. You feel me? So he's still looking. So even with this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 green candles consecutive. Now, of course, following my trends, I will continue to buy it. But the fact that it's 7 green candles, more than likely, probability-wise, it's not gonna continue to go up. Not the same way, because when it comes to trading, nothing just goes straight up. You know, it goes up and it goes down. It goes up and it goes down. So I'm not gonna buy this right here, even though like that's exactly what I'm looking for. That's exactly what you want to see. Same thing for this right here. You know, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 5 green candles, and it's like it wants to go up, but it's been going up for so long that I honestly think it's gonna go down now. You know, like look how long it's been going up. You feel me? So I'm not gonna sell. Like even with this one, it's been going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I usually want to catch a trend by the 3rd candle. When I come to charts and it's 5 candles already green or 5 candles already red, that's when I'm like, nah, you know, I'm straight. But this one, I like the way this one look, but more so for a reversal though, because it's been going up for so long that I feel like it's gonna drop. But it's at 68%. That one at 60. This is at 70. But like, look at it, man. I want to get in a reversal so bad. Let's do it. Let's do it. Ah, boom. Right when the candle closed. I like to get into trades when the candles close. So you see the timer, how it says 53, 52. Like once it gets to 0, that's when I'll get into the trade. So I actually sold this one. So I'm gonna be real. This is outside of the rules that I was just telling y'all. So I was telling y'all you want to see 3 green candles or 3 red candles, and then you get into whatever you'll get into that trade. But with this, I actually went the opposite way, the opposite direction, mainly because, let me just look at the other ones, mainly because it's been going up for so long. Like same thing with this, it's been going up for so long that I'm expecting a reversal or a reversal coming soon, you know. So let's go back. We in profit right now. I sold it. As you can see, it's going down. We got 11 seconds left. So let's see if we win this, man. I put up 1,700, or I put up 1,000 to make 700. Just demo money. Oh no! Oh, wow, that's crazy. Did y'all see how it did that at the last second? That's crazy. Matter of fact, fuck it, we getting in again. Now, I'm getting in again. Now, I'm getting in again for a reason, okay? I don't want y'all to do what I just did. The only reason why I'm getting is because I'm trusting my analysis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's been 7 consecutive green candles. You feel me? And just looking at the last candle, just looking at how the last candle closed, how it literally did it at the very last second, I'm expecting like, yo, it's ready for this. Oh no. I'm expecting for it to start going down because, like, I mean, it's been going up. We got 16 seconds left and I'm definitely losing. I mean, I'm already in the trade, but I don't panic though. Don't panic because, I mean, ain't no reason to panic. Ah, come on, come on, come on. I broke even? Come on, son. But y'all see what I'm saying though? Like, I'm losing and I'm breaking even. I'm getting that shit again, bro. Look at it. Look at it. It's like I'm losing and I'm breaking even, but you gotta know how to read the market. You feel me? Do you see how it's moving? Like, what goes up must come down. And I'm telling y'all now, don't trade like this. But the fact that it's been going up for so long, this is definitely overbought. Definitely overbought, no question about it. I'm trusting my trade. You know, I know people watching this, they're like, bro, you gambling right now. Shut up, son. I kind of am gambling with this right here, but this is low-key part of my strategy as well. When I see 6 or 7 consecutive candles, now in my head, I'm expecting a reversal. So earlier in the video, hold on, we got 5 seconds left. I need to win this. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Come on, son. I told y'all. And that shit, come on, man. That's 3 bands right there. Come on, man. Let's look at the trade. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm 7-1. I lost 1 trade. This is a demo account. It's just practice. But regardless of if I did this on a real account, it still would be the exact same result. You know? But damn, that's crazy. So, I mean, pretty much everything that I was just showing you, like, this is a real skill. I'm telling you, this is an easy strategy to learn. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I didn't make it up, but I'm going to just say I did, man. This is the wave strategy. You feel me? You can use this on any time frame. I used it on a 1-minute time frame. I had a 1-minute chart as well as a 1 minute. I was in the trade for 1 minute too. So, boom, man. I just made, I don't even know how much I just made right in front of y'all. Hold on. Let me go back. I made a lot. You feel me? I made what, 2,500? 2,500 right in front of y'all. You feel me? I went 7-1 live. Of course, it's on a demo account, but I just did it while I was recording, you know. And yeah, at the end of the day, if you want to learn this, definitely subscribe. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Click the links in the description. I got ebooks. Definitely check out the ebooks, man. It's $10, bro. Like, if you ain't got $10 to invest in yourself, then that's a problem. One thing that I realized is that everybody in the Forex world, everybody in the investing world, HFX, everybody in this because they want to get rich. Everybody want to make bread. But, yo, these are the cheapest people I've ever seen in my life. You telling me you want to make millions of dollars, but you're not willing to invest $10 in your education? You're not willing to invest $10 in yourself, son? That's crazy. That don't make sense. You know, so click the links in the description. Like I said before, you can do this for free, just like how I was doing. You can practice the strategy that I was just showing you. You know, 3 green candles, 3 red candles. That right there identifies a trend. It's not 100%. Yeah, you might lose some. That's all part of the game. You know, remember the other tip that I said? When you see a small candle, that means that a big move is coming. If you see a small candle, I guarantee you go back and you study, you probably see a big green candle after that or a big red candle after that. You know, try to avoid consolidating markets. I'm gonna do all that in other videos, but subscribe, definitely like the video, try the strategy out on demo, and if you make some money, I would say comment it, but nah, because then when y'all lose money, y'all gonna be trying to blame me for the shit, and I'm not responsible, man. All right, shout out to everybody in the bridge, man. We made a lot of money the other day, and yeah, man, I appreciate every single one of y'all. Y'all already know how I go. Stay cool, stay safe out here in these streets, man. Most of all, stay wavy, my friends. Stay wavy. Cause waves don't die. Sheesh.